How the universe is way bigger than you think. Do you realize how small we are in the universe? If Earth were a grain of sand, the universe would be a continent-sized sphere. Join me on a breathtaking adventure to learn why the universe is bigger than you imagine. Let's start with the scale of the universe. The diameter of Earth is 12,742 kilometers. Picture Earth as a grain of sand, approximately 4,000 kilometers. That's 2,486 miles in diameter. The universe would encircle North America. Earth-Moon distance, on average, Earth and the Moon are 384,400 kilometers. That's 238,854 miles apart. This distance is 30 times Earth's diameter. If Earth were a nickel, the Moon would be as far as New York from Los Angeles. Light travels 1.3 seconds from Earth to the Moon. Think of the cosmos as having 10 billion superclusters, each with 350 billion big galaxies and over 30 billion trillion stars. Our solar system's average distance allows all planets to fit between Earth and the Moon. Historical perspective. A brief historical overview of significant events related to the understanding of the universe's size can include the following points. In 1609, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei heard about the invention of the telescope and decided to perfect it. He used the telescope to observe celestial objects and record his discoveries, including the Moon, Jupiter, and the Milky Way. Galileo's observation and interpretations of them eventually led to the demise of the geocentric Ptolemaic model of the universe and the adoption of a heliocentric model as proposed by Copernicus. Galileo's use of the telescope helped lead a revolution in cosmology that conclusively toppled the traditional Aristotelian model in favor of the Copernican system. The telescope played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of Earth's place in the cosmos and enabled precise observations of the planets and stars. Other significant events. Around 2,300 years ago, careful observers in the Mediterranean deduced that the Earth must be round and orbit the Sun. In the 17th century, the invention of the telescope by Galileo and the discovery of the laws of motion by Kepler promoted the realization that stars were just like the Sun, all obeying the same laws of physics. In the 19th century, spectroscopy made it possible to investigate the gases that stars are made of. Mind-blowing discoveries. The universe is huge, and the numerous facts and discoveries prove that. Some examples. The visible universe is 93 billion light-years wide. The most distant things we can observe are 46.5 billion light-years away. If the cosmos were a basketball, the Milky Way would be a grain of sand. Around 100 billion galaxies are visible in the universe. The observable universe has around 10 to 22 stars, with billions of galaxies have 10 to the power of 22 stars, with billions of stars in the galaxy. Think about counting one star per second. All stars in the visible cosmos would take 300,000 years to count. The Sun and Earth are 93 million miles apart. If the Sun were a basketball, the Earth would be a peppercorn 26 yards away. The Moon and Earth are 238,900 miles apart. Earth and Moon would be 30 feet apart if basketball-sized. Implications and reflection. The universe's enormity affects human perception and existence. The following points can help viewers contemplate their role in the universe and the value of cosmic exploration. With a diameter of 93 billion light-years, Earth is little in a vast universe. The moon is 384,400 kilometers, 238,854 miles from Earth. Picture Earth as a grain of sand, and approximately 4,000 kilometers, that's 2,486 miles in diameter, the universe would encircle North America. The rules of physics applies to all observers, regardless of location. Climate change and other human-induced environmental changes show that burning fossil fuels can alter the universe. The overview effect seen by astronauts viewing Earth from space stresses the interdependence of all living things and the need to preserve our planet. Studying the universe helps us understand life and our position in it. Exploring the universe deepens our understanding of God and nature and our relationship to it, inspiring creativity and amazement. Consider your personal experiences and ideas on the vastness of the universe. Consider how our understanding of the universe influences life, death, and nature. Consider how our legacy shapes future generations and their universe view. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next video.